In this problem, we want to determine the sum of all integer values of k, such that 2/5 is less than k over 7, which is less than 7 over 8. Now, this problem is rather awkward because we can multiply away all the different denominators, but what we end up with is we end up with a coefficient in front of k, and then when we try to get rid of it, we're back to fractions again. The key thing here is we want to get k by itself, so we're going to multiply 7 onto everything. So that means we have k in the middle of this inequality. Now we're going to multiply 2/5 times 7. Now I'm going to use my calculator for this. 2/5 times 7, and that is 2.8. I'm going to do the same thing for 7/8. 7/8 times 7 is 6.125. So that means k has to be between these two numbers, 2.8 and 6.125. Now we want to determine the sum of all the integers that fall between this. Well, what integers work? Well, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These four integers fit between these two numbers here. So now they want the sum of these numbers. So if we add these up, 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 6 is 18. And so 18 is our sum and our answer. And we're done.